Yeah, this is Studio 21. This look here is just the theme. I changed it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of FS Studio. So let's jump into it. Come to options, go to theme, setting. There are different themes here. We have this carbon, okay, clean, whatever. Okay, this one is dark. So we have lots of them for you to choose from. Many here, so you can just pick the one you like and use. We have some adjustments you can make here. That's the hue, saturation, all the way up, brightness. That's the white you get. I'll put in the white one, light cherry. Okay, a contrast and text. I want text to be like in your face, kind of. So take it this way. If you want it to be a little bit dull, you bring it to the right side. I hold down my left click and I move, and it goes like that. This is light mode. Watch this all projects and all this stuff when I change the light mode. See, comes up. Let's click again, it goes. Then put it on the dark one. Then remove light mode, gone. Bring back light mode. Yeah. Okay, I can resize it. That's nice. I can A and B it. This is A, how far I've come, and this is the normal one that we're all used to. Cool. I need to reset this. I can just reset and everything will come back. Now let's say I like this and I want to save it. Come to this save as preset, then I can call it Pro Tool. Then I just hit this, or I can just hit enter and we'll have Pro Tool there somewhere. Okay, look at it. And I'll just hit Pro Tool, and that's it. Let me know what you think about this video. I have a video on how to change background in FL Studio. I'll leave it in the video card. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I'm elprotoel. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it.
See me small, don't believe you're right. Don't give in to a terror of light.